type it. What it is?
Uh-oh. Definition. What does it start with?
Start with regalo. Let me type it. Oh, very Christmas tone.
I know. So it's fairy dust. This one right here?
Yeah, that one.
Okay. All right. So what I normally do is copy the PayCode from here. So it's spelled exactly, even with the little thingies on the top. What do you call those?
The
little ditties?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's money. Okay, good. All right, so I got a copy of it. So now it's just going to be used, just whoever has it, they pick it up, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to log into Kronos here, WIM. All right, so let us just do it the easiest way. So here's this one right here that I know just pulls a pay code, right? So,
yeah.
Hold on just a minute. Sorry. First, we gotta change our directory, pick the folder we're working in. Always first. I don't know why I forgot. See how it opens easy when you do it the right way. Okay.
Okay.
So the first thing I'm going to do is grab the very first one and just open it. Very quickly, I'm going to say File, Save As. And I want it to save in this folder. And we're going to name it, not this whole thing. How about just that? So
Sorry?
this way, we're just going to name it that, so it's different than everything else. And then we'll save it. And then we're going to go here and we're going to say create. See how I'm just kind of going through, and it's for Vejo. So MB1, 2, 3, and then leaders for the previous pay period. We're going to leave ignore sign off on just because.
Let me check if this includes the managers. I mean the leaders.
Okay.
MBL. Give me a second.
Okay. Anything for Vejo, I always include MBL. They just need to know not to put them in their record.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's best to always just have it. If they know it doesn't apply to leaders, they know not to give it to them.
Yeah, but I want to know if I'm going to have it.
Yeah, that's fine. You want to know if you're getting it or not?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's for everyone.
Okay. All right. So we're doing Vejo first, so we make sure this is there. It's going to be the previous pay period. We're going to change this to be the name of the file, which is what we said. We're going to name it the same as we'll name it the same, right? And then here's where we change it. So the header, what concept did Sochi say to use? What concept number?
Yeah, give me a second. The concept right here. I think it's 18, but let me check.
Okay.
It's 88.
88? Okay.
Yep.
All right, so we're going to change this number by just double clicking on it. It's static text is what we have. So we just change that to 88, right? This is in the file definition. Then for the qualifiers, we got to go and change the PayCode name. Tell it what are you looking for? We're looking for this PayCode specifically. Okay.
Okay.
The function and variables will all stay the same. The employee ID, we're looking for only pay codes that are actual pay codes, not combination codes. And we're making the pay code name from the database a variable. So this is the variable that you're changing under qualifiers. What qualifies this particular link? Okay, so we have that. We're just going to go back and make sure that that's changed. And then we're going to save this one. Okay, so now the easy part comes for creating the next file, because now we did Bayhole, now we got to do Ceci. So now we can just do File, Save As, and we're just going to backspace all this mess here because we don't need it. But we're going to change this to say Ceci. Okay. Then again, we want to go through, but this time we want to just say equals to. And the equals to is going to be MB4. MB4. Okay, so we're only doing that one plant.
Okay.
Okay, this all stays the same. The output, again, the file changes here. So this is going to be Ceci. And this all stays the same. This stays the same. It's the same pay code we're looking for. It's the same concept change. And all this stays the same. So now we do File, Save As. Oh, I already have it saved. Okay. And we're saving. So now we have two. So now here you can do two things. You can click here and say make the interface, and it will automatically bring this one in. Or you can do File, New, create another interface. But we'll do it the easy way. We'll say make an interface. See how it plopped it in there already?
Yeah.
So here is this is what you're going to say, interface for Christmas bonus. Okay. You're going to give it a interface name. So we'll call it MB. We'll try to keep it the same. Okay. So that's going to be the name. And now we want to add the other step. So from here, this is now the interface, the KNI file. These are the KNX, and this is the KNI file. So now we got to add the other one. So we got to go find it. Yep. MB. Where'd it go? Oh. There it is. Okay. So now we've got this one and that one.
Okay.
So now we're going to say File, Save As, and it's going to ask for a name. Name of this interface is not going to be Ceci. It's just going to be that right there.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yep.
So now we have it saved. Now, once it's saved here, we have to deploy it to the application so it can be run there.
Okay.
So under
Okay.
Under Admin, we click on Deploy Interface, and we just simply deploy it.
Okay.
Okay, so now when you go back into the application, you have to make sure to add it in so that they can run it. So you're going to go to Generic Data Access Profile, into the MB GDAP, under Data Integration, Interfaces. See, it's here. We want to put it over here.
Okay.
Okay. These are not anything that they use that they would run, so that's why these are not over there.
Okay.
These are just ones that you would run. So we hit Save and Return. Now I'm just going to do a master refresh. And if we go over here, it should be in our list of interfaces. MB, and there it is. So now when they're ready to use the PayCode for either this current week or whenever they get ready to use it, make sure to tell them they have to put it in the payroll that's being processed.
Yeah, but they wanted to upload this PayCode for all.
Oh,
for
okay.
everyone. So
Okay, so they're going to give you a file to load?
Yep.
Okay, okay.
I just
And you know
waiting
how
for
to
it.
do that now, right?
Yeah, I remember we
Okay,
checked that
great.
interface.
Great.
I can try.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Thank you.
You're
Sorry.
Yes.
Adriana mentioned something that she cannot see this new PayCode in.
Oh, yes. Okay, so that's the other part. I was going to ask you, and then I got sidetracked. After you add a pay code, you have to add it to their pay code profile.
Yeah, I did that, but she's saying that she cannot look for the PayCode on the Genie procesos especiales.
Oh, okay. All right.
Special
Yes.
processes or something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think that is what I miss.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so we're going to go to display preferences.
Okay.
They want to add it in the detail column set. And the Genie that they want to add it to is the additional one.
I don't know if it is Spanish, but
yeah, it's this one.
Yeah, that one.
Yep. Excuse me. Okay, so all you have to do is it's R, so we will put it at the end here. You insert a row. It's PayCode total. Once you click it, there we go. Come on. There we go. So here we're going to put the name again. It only needs to be 60 in the width of the column, and then we just go find the pay code. NOPQR. There it is.
Okay.
Okay, so now we have it. We're going to save and return. This is how you add a column to any Genie.
Okay.
I hit save and return, didn't I? I know sometimes it takes a long time for this one to do it, but I can't tell if there it is. Okay, so now I don't know if I need to log out and in, but I'm gonna hit the master refresh here. Let's just see if it's there. Should be this one. No, we gotta log off and on again. So we'll log out. We'll go back in. Let's make sure that it's there. There it is. So there it is right there now.
Okay.
Okay, so you're all set there now. So yes, adding a pay code. Once you add it, if you're going to use it in an interface, you have to create the interface for both locations, Sussy and Vejo. Then you have to put the interface in the GDAP, in the generic data access profile. Okay. You have to put the pay code in the access for whoever needs it. Let's just say in this case, supervisors needed it too. Then you would have put it in MB Super as well. Okay. Then if they want it added in any Genie, then you come down to display preferences into the detail column sets, find the Genie that's in question, the one they want to add it to, and then you add it to that particular Genie.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you again.
You're welcome.
Okay. Bye.
All right, bye.